Just did you do it? It's January 28th, 2020, and I saw a video Mr. MBB333 did this afternoon entitled Mysterious Green Water Anomaly in South Pacific. I thought I'd look into it just a little bit. So here we got just a snapshot of his video, and I noticed that it was just off the southwest coast of Deception Island. So I started a little search here, and it started out with bathymetric map of Deception Island, and not too far down I saw this on the left here, this option to click, and I did, and it was a ResearchGate website. So I clicked into that, and it offered me a few options to click on the maps, so I chose this one on the far left, and here's where we are right here. Okay, so here's Mr. MBB's video, and I opened up my Google Earth, and I zeroed in on that area that Mr. MBB had, and what I did, since there was no grid work on his video, I went ahead and put the grid in there, and we could see that this is the area he was focusing on right there. And I'm going to zoom in on it now to get the longitude and latitude. It's going to be difficult, but now I'm going to go back to this map at ResearchGate, and what we're looking at is, well, let's see, looks like 63.03 south latitude and right around 60. I don't know, 50 west longitude. So let's go back over here, and this one's at right at about the same, 61. So that's about 60, and 63. So that looks like it's about where we're at. Okay, so wanted to see what the look for the legend on this, the SR, what it stands for, with a red circle and a triangle in it. Of course, there's the depth chart there, and down here I'm going to highlight it first, and I'm going to zoom in. It's SR Sail Rock is what they call it. Okay, now I'm going to zoom in on that a little bit. I'll zoom in on it again right here, or make it blue for you. I'm going to go up here. SR Sail Rock is what they're calling it, if we're correct. It says bathymetry to the west of Deception Island. Open red circles indicate volcanoes, including Sail Rock, which is shown by a red triangle. Sail Rock. Okay, so there's Sail Rock. Just to back out, go back to Google Earth just for a second. Just an idea for Mr. MBB. Okay, so, and here I'm back to my grid work pattern. And there it is, Sail Rock. So, I went ahead and just Googled up Sail Rock real quick. And Sail Rock Antarctica showed up right there. So, and here's some images of what we were looking at. See, it's the first time I clicked on it, so see what it pulls up. That's what was in Mr. MBB's video right there. So I guess we have an answer. It's called Sail Rock, and they consider it in the Antarctica. All right, did you do it?